Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the $1 Liberty of the United States year 1971. A $1 coin from 1971 Liberty dollar, which was the first dollar coin issued since 1935. The 1971 dollar value depends entirely on its condition. Standard clad non-silver versions are generally only worth about $1, while certain high-grade silver collectors versions can be worth significantly more. Clad non-silver version, these coins which are the most common typically only worth the face value of $1 unless they they are in exceptionally pristine and uncirculated condition. Silver version from collector's edition dollars from 1971 were minted in silver. This value is determined by their condition and grade. Circulated silver condition version, these are generally worth around $10 to $12 uncirculated silver condition. Mint estate value increased with the grade to, for example, a coin graded MS60 might be worth $13, while other quality MS65 could be values $32. How much a 1971 coin worth? The value of a 1971 dollar coin depends on its condition and type, ranging from about $10 to $12 from a circulated condition coin to thousands of dollars for a high-grade. Silver collector's version standard circulated dollars have a value based on their silver content around $10 to $12 for a circulated only, while uncirculated coins can range from under $20 to several hundreds of dollars for mint estate grade. Collector's grade coins such as the silver issue coin can be worth much more depending on their conditions, with a high-grade MS60 silver dollar valued at approximately $6,500. So guys, this is the $1 United States Liberty in year 1971. So if you have this coin, this might be one of the most valuable coin, especially if the coin has an error. But anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel and likes my video. Thank you very much.